My name is Sean Edwards, and I'm engine builder at Beta USA.
My name is Austin, and I'm an engine technician at Beta USA. So there's a lot more to it than just tearing down an engine and putting new parts back together. You know, we have a very specific teardown process where each engine is thoroughly inspected and cleaned and checked for premature worn parts, so that when we get the engine first and it's ready to assemble, we can put the engine back together confidently, knowing that everything's going to be 100%.
I've been born, thankfully, around motorcycles, so I started from a little kid in a local shop here where my dad worked, and I've been involved with him, ever since.
I, started working for Tim at 15 years old, just pulling parts, still in high school. And after I graduated high school, I didn't really have no plans, but I just enjoyed being around motorcycles. I didn't care what I was doing, just wanted to be around it. And just kind of worked my way up. In 2018, there was a opening in the service shop, and I got put in there and just learned everything I knew about working on motorcycles, building engines through there. And then in 2022, the engine department opened up, and I was the first person to get put in it, and just have been working on engines ever since.
Obviously, the industry, year after year or whatnot, is always stepping it up. You're always trying to get better. You're trying to get more. You're trying, and so that's, for me, is the chase that's pretty awesome. Is always just to learn a little bit more, to get better, every single day, because I don't know everything by any means, and constantly striving to get better, to be better, with the products that we have, and to just make them better. And it's not that they're not great, but you just want to keep evolving for sure. Like I say, it takes a lot of concentration and I think a love for it. I've built things my whole life, so it's been something that's motivated me, but I don't think it's for everyone. For any means, not that anyone couldn't do it, if they put their mind to it, but I do think that your level of success is kind of in the passion that you have for it. There are some people that just, it's just not their thing, I guess, you know what I mean? And it's not something that you just get through. You do definitely have to love it, to understand it, I think, completely.
Truthfully, the whole process is satisfying for me, whether it's tearing the engine down, and looking at parts, seeing how parts wear differently, putting the engine together, it's all very satisfying to me. Like, I enjoy the whole process. But yeah, again, probably the most satisfying part of it is seeing one of our riders win on a weekend, or winning a championship, and they're holding the bike wide open doing a burnout. Like, that's probably the most satisfying and awesome, just a straight up awesome feeling for me. It's different it's different if you're building your own engine for your personal bike, but when every engine build you're doing, is going to someone else's bike, and they're going to be riding on it, especially to racers that are racing on a professional level, you definitely kind of have that nervous feeling, knowing that someone's racing on a top level with your product, your engine build on it. So you just try to, be confident in your work and just trust the process.
Man, I just love the people I work with. This whole place is just wonderful. It's, I don't want the end of the day to come. It's just a wonderful feeling to be able to work here, and I'm proud of the product that we have. I'm proud to, wear the Beta name when I go out and to talk about it, and what we're provided here. It's just the best job I've ever had in my life, best people, and we're pretty top notch here, what we're provided, the people we work for, it's fantastic.